So you can see that you can make adjustments. If you don't like something, you can adjust it. If you like something, you can do a little bit more.
Yeah.
Instant feedback.
Okay. I like that.
Wait 1 second. Do that again. And do what you're about to do. Chin up. Change it up. What's that?
Can I put a chair in? Do you want me to sit
No, no, you're tall.
Tall?
Why would you want to be shorter? You don't want to be shorter. Don't you like being taller?
I do.
I know you should like it. So basically when I go like this, it's almost like if you, typically if you get hired to be doing this, so you have like a bunch of paparazzi stupid photographers out there, right? And you hear all the clicking. Clicking. So I know to take the photo is when you give me the look. So when you're making your adjustments, I take the shot. I can see that back there. Does that make sense? So you have long arms, so don't be so high. Cause that takes away from your face.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's going through, right? I'm gonna do a close-up. What did I do, lose signal? I gotcha. Sweet, I like that one.